My name is Nikki and I am so excited to have you join me here today. We have a very special flow here at the Pyramids of Chi in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. So beautiful here, and I'm so excited to conduct a solar plexus chakra flow today. So let's begin. Sitting in a nice, comfortable, easy seat. We'll start to ground down, inhaling and exhaling, getting yourself into this space, clearing your mind, and really focusing on your breath here. The solar plexus is a very important chakra. I mean, all of the chakras are very important, but I love the solar plexus because it really has to do with your digestion. It also has to do with your sense of self and your self-esteem, along with self-expression and creativity. And so when the solar plexus is blocked, oftentimes you might have some bad indigestion, bloating, things like that. So we're going to really focus on making this flow freely so that you can feel the benefits and feel lighter, actually, when you won't feel so heavy and feel like things are stuck here. So we're going to really work on this today. So inhaling into our stomach, exhaling, letting it all go. Good, inhale and exhale. Good, take a few more rounds of breath here and really feel it come into your stomach and exhale. Good. Checking in with yourself, seeing how you feel here. Do you feel anything blocked? Are you bloated? What's going on? Just taking a moment to check in. And just noticing it, not judging it. And then let everything go. Good. We'll begin our practice by placing our hands near the front of our mat and coming into a neutral tabletop. And we're just going to start with some cat-cows. So dropping the belly down, gaze comes up. And then tucking the chin into chest, spine raises towards the sky. Another round here. Cow pose, dropping the belly down. And then bring the spine up to the sky, cat pose. Good. We're going to shake our hips, any organic movements that feel good to you. You can roll your hips in a circle. Just warming up our hips here. Good. And then pressing into your toes, we're going to pop on up to downward facing dog. Shaking out your dog, walking your dog here. Awesome work. And we're slowly going to walk our feet towards our hand. And we're going to have a tiny little twist here. So we're going to walk our hands towards the left side. And really press your stomach into your thighs if you can. If you can't touch the ground, that's okay. Just hanging here. Walking through center, hanging in this forward fold. You can bend your knees as much as you need to, but pressing your thighs into your stomach, really feeling this here. We're activating our solar plex. And then walk your hands towards the right side. Little twist over here. We'll come back through center and slowly roll ourselves up, one vertebrae at a time. Inhaling our arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center, taking a moment here, breathing this in, and then letting it all go. Awesome work. We'll do one more time. Inhale. And on your exhale, we're going to sit back into a chair pose. We're going to make sure our tailbone is pointing towards the ground and not sticking out. We really want to engage our core here. Hands can come to heart center. And then we're going to bring our right elbow towards the sky and twist across our left thigh here, pressing into your upper arm so that it presses into the thigh, so that you're lifted and you're not sinking into it like this. So really stay lifted and try and get your balance. We're going to put all of our weight into our left foot and see if we can lift our right foot. If you can, we're going to nice and slow step the right foot back to a twisted lunge here. If you have a block, you can use it. If not, that's okay. We're just going to open up our arms. If you can, if you want to stay with your hands in prayer, you can do that as well. But we're opening up our arms. Our arm is on the outside of our knee here for this reversed side angle. Staying here for a moment. Really feeling your thigh come into your stomach, pressing on your internal organs. Really good for detoxification and for activating our lovely solar plex chakra. Hands can come back to heart center. And then we're going to pop our hands down in front of us, step our left foot back. We are in plank position. Slowly lower ourselves all the way to the ground. Press up to cobra. Stay here for a moment. Maybe you wiggle yourself a little bit right to left. Kind of like a little snake here. Getting your spine warmed up. And when you're ready, tuck your toes, press up, downward facing dog. Good. Take a moment here. Pressing into the mat, trying to bring your elbows out and down. See how that shifts your downward facing dog. And then we'll slowly walk up, little by little, towards our hands. Hang here for a moment, and then slowly rise up. All the way, arms reach overhead. And now this time we come into our chair pose again. We've been here before, activating our core. Left elbow comes towards the sky, and we bring it over to our right thigh. Nice little twist here. Seeing how this feels on this side. And then pressing into our right foot, slowly lift the left foot, and with balance and control, bringing this twisted lunge. If you can open up your arms here to this reversed side angle, or you can keep your hands at prayer position. Whatever feels good for your body. Tuning in and listening. This is so good for our digestion and twisting and detoxifying. So just enjoy this here. And then hands can come back to heart center. You can place your hands down in the front of the mat. Pop our right foot back to plank pose. Lower yourself all the way down nice and slow. Press up to cobra. Hang here for a moment. Again, you can sway left to right. Let this feel good for your lower back and your spine. If this doesn't feel good for you, you can just stay static here. Plant your toes into the mat and press up to our downward facing dog. Amazing work. This time we're going to lift our right foot into the air and thread our foot through our hands. Keeping our left hand down, we're going to lift our right hand. Easy twist here. Really pressing your foot into the ground. We're going to lift our left hand, come into this revolved lunge. And then slowly reverse this revolved lunge by bringing your right hand towards our left leg, and left hand comes up in the air. Kind of tricky here, so try and get your balance. And then from here, we're slowly going to come back into our reversed side angle, bringing our arm on the outside of our right leg and right thigh. We've been here before. See how this feels. And then bring your right hand down and frame your right foot. We're going to pop our right leg back to the sky, three-legged dog. And take your flow here. Come into plank. You can come all the way down to the ground or upward facing dog. Cobra if you wish. And then press back downward facing dog. Good work. We'll do the other side. Bringing our left foot to the sky and threading it through our hands. Pressing our right hand into the ground. Left hand raises towards the sky. Easy twist here. Pressing up into revolved lunge. And then we're going to bring this into reversed revolved lunge. So bringing our left hand towards our right leg, right hand up and back. Good. Then from here, we're slowly coming in to our reverse side angle, bringing our right hand on the outside of our left leg. Opening up. If you need a block, again, always use it or modify. You can close your hands into prayer by your heart if you wish, whatever works for you. And then drop your left hand, frame your left foot, left leg comes up and back, three-legged dog. And then take your flow, chaturanga, to upward facing dog. Meeting back and downward facing dog. Good work. Take a moment here. We went through that pretty quickly. So just catching your breath, breathing here. Inhale and exhale. Good work. Slowly tiptoe your feet towards the top of the mat again. And then we're going to bring our feet actually on the outside edges of the mat at a 45-degree angle. If you can, we're going to try and sit back into low yogi squat, malasana. I'm working up a sweat. I don't know about you. Here we go. Good. Pressing your upper arms onto your inner thighs, pushing out here, straight spine. Really good for digestion as well. And to activate this solar plex. Take a moment and I want you to think of all of your energy going into your solar plexus. And we'll sit back down, bringing our glutes to the mat. We'll come to the back of our mat, and our right foot is actually going to come on the outside of our left thigh. We're going to do a nice little twist here. Arms come up to the sky, and our left arm comes over our right knee as we put our hand towards the back. Little spinal twist here. And so we're activating that right here in this twist as your thigh presses right below your navel. Good. We'll unravel, bring your right leg long, shake this out. And now our left foot comes on the outside of our right thigh. Our left hand comes towards our back as our right arm comes up and over, twisting here. Big breath in. Let it go, seeing how this side feels. Good work. We'll unravel here, we'll shake this out, and we'll scooch ourselves a little bit closer to the front of the mat so that we can lay all the way back. So our arms are coming out in front of us, using our core to slowly lower us to the ground for a count of 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing work. Bring your knees into your chest and rock side to side, giving our internal organs some love. And then we'll drop our knees to the right side. Left hand comes out to the side as both shoulders stay down on the mat. Your gaze can come to your middle finger of your left hand. And just enjoy this gentle twist. We'll come up through center. Give your knees a nice squeeze and then roll your knees to the left side. Right arm goes long. Gaze can come to your right fingertips. Come back through center, give a nice squeeze, and then release everything down, coming into our final resting pose of Shavasana, relaxing your eyebrows and your jaw, feeling the energy activated around your solar plexus. And you can stay here in your Shavasana if you wish, or you can start to wiggle your fingers and your toes to bring you back to awareness. Bring your arms up overhead, reach, 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 and then roll to your favorite side, using your bicep as a pillow. Feeling renewed here and leaving behind anything not serving you. And then slowly coming up to a nice easy seat, ending how we started here. Big inhale and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. And again, inhale and exhale. Thank you so much for joining me. The light and love in me sees and honors the light and love in you. Namaste. It was a pleasure to guide you on the mat today. I hope you're feeling your solar plexus activated. See how you go about the rest of your day and see if there's any changes or any shifts in your body. Thank you for joining me here at Pyramids of Chi in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. If you want to see more of my travel adventures here, check out the vlog linked below. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you again on my channel in more of my videos soon. Thank you so much. Bye.